Have you ever been watching a video on your phone only to have the audio keep playing in the background when you switch apps or rotate your screen? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling how to stop audio from playing in the background when using ExoPlayer. I completely understand how annoying it is when your app keeps playing audio even after you've moved away from it. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face this issue when working with ExoPlayer. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "How can I stop audio from playing in the background when I switch activities or rotate the screen in ExoPlayer?" This is a common problem, and today we will explore how to handle it effectively. So what could be causing this issue? When you switch activities or rotate the screen, the ExoPlayer instance may not be properly released, leading to multiple audio streams playing simultaneously. We'll break it down step by step to help you understand how to fix this. And don't go anywhere. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you manage audio playback in your app seamlessly. To prevent audio from playing in the background, when the user navigates away from the fragment or rotates the screen, the user should ensure that the player is properly released in the on-pause method. Next, the user should check if the player is null before attempt to resume playback in the on-resume method. This ensures that the player is only resumed if it was previously initialized. Additionally, the user can implement a listener to handle the player's state changes. This will help manage the playback state more effectively and prevent multiple instances from playing simultaneously. Finally, the user should ensure that the player is not recreated unnecessarily. This can be done by checking if the player already exists before creating a new instance in the onCreateView method. Did you know? The ExoPlayer library is designed to handle complex media playback scenarios, but it requires careful management to avoid issues like this. It's like having a sports car. You need to know how to drive it. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests handling audio playback in the on-pause method of your fragment holding activity. By calling a pause method in your fragment, you can stop the playback when the activity is paused. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. An alternative solution provided by another user involves managing the activity state with a global variable. They suggest creating a Boolean variable called isActivityRunning. Set this variable to true in the onCreate and onResume methods and check its value before setting the player. In the onPause, onStop, and onDestroy methods, set isActivityRunning to false and release the player. The user also provides a release player method to handle player cleanup. This solution effectively prevents multiple audio instances from playing in the background. Here's the crucial tip I promised. Always manage your ExoPlayer instance properly by releasing it in onPause and resuming it in onResume. This simple practice can save you from a lot of headaches. And there you have it. You should now be able to stop audio from playing in the background when using ExoPlayer. Remember, proper management of your player instance is key. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video on optimizing media playback.